Bonjour! I'm at Hotel Palais de Méditerranée, located in Nice, France. Come along with me as I give you a tour of this newly renovated and rebranded hotel, originally a Hyatt Regency. All right, let's go!
I'll give you a tour of both the standard room and suite, amenities, and breakfast. I'll also share a review of my family stay here and our booking process. This is a 5-star hotel located right on the famous Promenade des Anglais, which means you're literally steps away from the Mediterranean Sea. It's also within easy walking distance of Old Town Nice, Place Massena, luxury shopping, restaurants, and the beach, making it one of the city's best locations. The hotel reopened in June 2026 after a 7-month, €50 million renovation. The iconic historic Art Deco landmark was rebranded from Hyatt Regency to now being under the Unbound Collection by Hyatt. It now features over 170 completely redesigned rooms and suites. I'm going to show you a standard room first. This is a king bed standard room that we got to rest in for a few hours after our checkout. This room can fit up to 3 people. The shower comes with both handheld and rainfall shower heads. They provided complimentary bottled waters and replenished with new bottles each time with a daily housekeeping and evening turn-down service. The rooms have a cozy, contemporary Riviera feel. This room that we were in didn't have much of a view. Some standard rooms do have a balcony. There is tea and an espresso coffee machine. There's a clothes steamer. Iron and ironing board are available upon request. If you would like one room to fit 4 people, you can book either a deluxe room size, which is close to 150 square feet bigger than a standard room, or you can book a suite. There are different size suites ranging from approximately 600 to 1100 square feet. We stayed in their largest suite, which they call Prestige Sea View Suite. They even had 2 kid-sized bathrobes and 2 pairs of kid slippers ready for us. The slippers in general were higher quality in the suite compared to the slippers in the standard room. There is a mini bar with drinks and snacks for additional fee. They had the couch already made up as a pull-out bed. We got some welcome drinks and snacks. The welcome treats may be due to me having World of Hyatt Globalist. I received an email prior to our arrival that asked if we preferred alcoholic or non-alcoholic welcome drinks, so I chose non-alcoholic drinks so our kids could enjoy them too. I thought this was a nice touch having a nightlight in the bedroom. Besides the typical electrical outlets used in France, there are also USB-C outlets available. The terrace overlooks the hotel pool, restaurant, and a bit of the beach. There is a generous size walk-in closet. There are 2 separate toilet rooms. Our main complaint is for the promenade facing room. There can be evening noise due to music that you can hear from the promenade. Or if your room is facing the courtyard, you can potentially hear live music from the hotel restaurant's terrace on certain evenings. Since our room was facing the promenade and courtyard, there was one night that we heard two sets of music going on at once. There was one Thursday night that music ended close to midnight, so we had to put on some white noise for our kids to fall asleep. The pool is located in the courtyard and it is a connected indoor-outdoor heated pool. Right by the pool, there is a co-ed sauna and steam room. The gym is open 24 hours. The main restaurant to dine in at the hotel is at the French Riviera. You can dine indoors or on their terrace. I loved having a view of the beach sitting on the terrace. The breakfast was a buffet. The breakfast also included options of made-to-order items that you can select from a menu. Some of our made-to-order items were avocado toast topped with poached egg and smoked salmon, waffle, pancakes, French baked eggs in a sourdough bread dough, or called œufs cocottes, and fresh smoothie. We booked with World of Hyatt Points. Booking a suite as a family of 4 was cheaper compared to booking 2 standard rooms with points. As of making this video, a standard room is 30,000 points, or a prestige sea view suite is 55,000 points per night. If you're paying with cash, a standard room can range between 304 to 684 euros depending on the time of year. There are various size suites, but for this suite shown in this video, it can cost between 1,335 to 3,382 euros. So is Hotel Palais de la Méditerranée worth staying at? I'd say yes, especially if location is your top priority. We stayed here for 2 nights, so we only had 1 full day to explore Nice. The prime hotel location with walking distance to everything really made our 1 full day high yield. They do treat globalists very well. When I first checked in, the guest relations manager came over to introduce herself and welcome us. We originally booked an executive suite and then got upgraded to their largest suite, the Prestige Sea View Suite, just a category below their penthouse. A typical globalist benefit is that you can get guaranteed 4 p.m. late checkout at Hyatt hotels. Resorts, though, do not follow the same rule. Since the rebrand, this is now considered a resort. So we weren't able to get a late checkout, but they were nice enough to offer us a standard room to relax in after our checkout time. This hotel is one of the most iconic hotels in Nice, offers fantastic service, spacious rooms, beautiful Mediterranean views, and puts you within walking distance of everything. While it isn't the cheapest luxury hotel in town, you're paying for an unbeatable location and a truly classic Riviera experience. Our stay here definitely contributed to our memorable Nice trip.
Have you stayed at the hotel before or after the renovation? What are your thoughts about it? Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe.